Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing website of Agile Coin platform. So by using this script Agile Coin, you can make your own Agile Coin platform within just 5 minutes. So viewers, in this video I will completely show you how you can make your own Agile Coin platform and you can sell your Agile coins. So viewers, if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. So you can contact us and buy this Agile Coin script from us. So the name of this Agile Coin platform script is Agile Coin, and if you buy it from us, you will get it at very low price. And if you need this complete website, end-to-end website, we will also build this for you. So viewers, now let's start this video. First of all, you can see the amazing look of its home page. Each and everything is controllable and changeable from admin panel. So here you can see what is Agile Coin. So you can see all the details from here, and you can list these details from admin panel as well. Here you can add about yourself. You can see the trendings, how Agile Coin works in trending. Here are Agile Coin timelines. So you can see all the things over here. So you can list these things from admin panel. This is frequently asked questions section. So you can also add blogs on the website. You can change logo. Whatever is on the page, you can change each and everything. So you can also visit these pages separately. So let me zoom it out, and you can also visit these pages separately as well. So you can visit about page, why us, blog, contact, each and everything is visit. So you can also change the language. So currently there are 3 languages, but you can insert as many as languages you want. So I will go to login page and I will log into my user account. So let me just enter my email, and here, so let me just put my email details. Here I have to enter my password, fill the reCAPTCHA, and when you click on login, it will log you into your user panel of this website. So currently I am giving you a demo of this website, and now at last we will make our own website on hosting. So be with us and watch this video till the end. So first of all, user have to verify its KYC in order to deposit or withdraw on this website. So you can see the rate of Agile Coin. This is your referral link, so you can also earn money through referrals. Here you can see your total balance. So you can see your Agile Coin, purchased coin, total deposits, pending deposits, rejected deposits, each and everything will be here. So you can see everything right here in this section. And here you can see the Terra price history graph over here. And viewers, let me show you, this is a deposit section. So you can also deposit money on the website. So you can select any of the gateway. All worldwide accepted gateways are included in the website. So you can use any of the gateway to deposit money. So user can deposit money easily, and here user can see its deposit history in this section. So currently I haven't deposited anything. So this is a withdrawal. So by going to this section, user can withdraw its money. So to withdraw, user must have to verify KYC. Now this is just a demo. So I will give you here is purchase altcoin. So user can also purchase altcoin from here by using any of the method, using wallet balance or checkout. Exchange Agile Coin, user can transfer its Agile Coin from one account to another, but before that user have to verify KYC. User can generate support ticket, see balance transaction, coin transaction. User can see all the referred users that he referred. So this is the general overview of this Agile Coin user dashboard. Here user can see all its wallet address and wallet details. So viewers, now let's go to admin panel and let's see how we can control this website from the admin panel. So first of all, I will go to my admin panel over from this section. So here, this is our admin login page. So details are entered because it's a demo. And now when I click on login, it will log me into my admin panel of this website. So viewers, we have successfully logged into the admin panel of this website. So this is the complete admin panel of this website. You can see each and everything detail about the website over here. You can see total user, deposit, rejected deposit, total users on the website, total coins sold, total charges, exchange, whatever you want to see, everything is here. You can see all notification in this section. From manage user, you can manage all the users on the website, so you can add balances to their accounts, you can change their details from here, you can ban different user, you can send them emails. From payment gateways, so you can manage these all gateways, so all worldwide accepted gateways are available here. You can see PayPal, Razorpay, Coin Payments, CoinGate, Cashmall, Blockchain, Trust Wallet, all the gateways are available and you can use them. And if you want to disable them, you can do it from here. So you just have to click on edit and you can insert your own details. Now if you want to create any of local gateway, you can create it from here. Just go to add new and you can easily add any local gateway. From here you can approve or reject the deposit request of user. From withdrawal, you can approve or reject the withdrawal request and you can create withdrawal methods. You can see the support ticket, you can see the report of website. Here from general settings, you can create your you can change the name of website, currency of website, symbol of currency, and here you can insert your own coin name, coin symbol, coin code, whatever you want to insert, wallet address up to digits. So everything is here, so you can insert your own details about coin, currency, your website name, prices, charges, so you can calculate profits from here as well. You can see deposit balance, fixed charges, registration bonus. So from system configuration, you can turn on off different settings of website, user registration, KYC verification, you can turn it on off from here. You can turn on off email verifications, notifications, languages, data exchange, coin transfers, so you can turn them on off from this section. From logo and favicon, you can change the logo of this website and you can insert your own logo. You can change extensions, you can change the language of website, you can manage SEO directly from here, so you don't need to do external SEO. Here you can manage templates. So currently it has only one template, but it will be updated soon and you will get new updates and multiple templates in website. So you can manage pages. From manage section, you can control the complete website. So you can see all the sections that are on your website are here and you can manage them. For example, I want to edit the about us section, so you can edit the about us section from here. So you can change the heading, image, whatever you want to change, you can just change these things in single click. Here you can change the banner page, so you can change the band page, and all these pages are here, so you can change them and insert your own details. So viewers, I completely guided you about this website. Now let's go and let's install this script on our hosting. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel and also like this video. And now let's go and now let's install this script on our hosting. So viewers, to install this Agile Coin script, what you have to do is you have to go to your file manager. So I will go to my file manager and here let it be open, and then we will start our main work. So you are using cPanel or hPanel, it doesn't matter. So the installation process will remain the same. So I will go to my public HTML. Here I will install it on my subdomain. So you can see that I've already uploaded the script. Now to buy this script, you can contact us and you can buy this script from us, and we will also provide you complete support. And here you have to upload this script by going to file. So now we will extract this script into our root directory. So now let's extract it. So after that, I will give all the permission to different folders. So we'll provide this permission to this folder first of all, and then we will move towards our installation part of this video. So let's provide all the information. So 2 more permissions are remaining, and let's provide these permissions as well. So now this is the last permission, and our permission work has done. Now we'll go to our subdomain, and here we'll open this domain and it will open the installer window. So let me tell you that this script is for multiple domains, which means that you can use it for multiple websites. So here requirements are satisfied, just click on next step, and here we have to put our database credentials. As I already created the database in my hostinger, so I will go to my management folder and I will copy my database credentials from this section, and I will paste it in here. So paste all these credentials and just enter your admin username, password and email, and when you click on install, it will install your script. So here viewers, you can see that our script has installed successfully, and now when we click on go to website and activate, it will install our script. So now I'm clicking on go to website and activate, and here you can see that here we have to put our purchase code and we have to verify this. So if you buy it from us, we will provide you purchase code for multiple domains. So I will quickly enter all these details and I will activate it. So viewers, I have successfully entered my purchase code and I verified it, and here you can see that script has installed successfully on my this subdomain. So you can see it over here, and this is our latest version of Agile Coin script, and it has successfully installed. So you can see that how we can just install the script within just 4 to 5 minutes. So you can also do it easily, so this is not such a big deal. And viewers, if you want to buy the source code from us, to contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can contact us and buy the source code from us. And if you need any type of website, just contact us and we will build that site for you. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to channel and be happy.